I'm Debbie Weinstein, and this is Proponomics. You may have heard about the budget that the House of Representatives passed. It's a plan to make dangerously extreme cuts to all the vital human needs programs, like health care, nutrition, housing, education, job training, while at the same time increasing military spending and slashing taxes for upper-income people and corporations. Now, the House is about to take a vote towards carrying out the plan. The vote later this week would make $261 billion in cuts over 10 years that overwhelmingly target low-income people and federal workers. They are intended to replace some of the deficit reduction now scheduled to start next January. What does the House leadership most want to replace? Cuts to the military. $55 billion next year. The bill also stops the first round of cuts to important programs like education, housing, medical research, and WIC nutrition aid. We do not support these human needs cuts, but the way the House would replace them is wrong. I'm going to show you how wrong using today's props, beans. The bean counters in Washington like to keep the talk about dollars, but our beans stand for people. Every one of these packages of beans stands for 1 million people. Here are just some of who gets hurt by this week's House bill. 350,000 will go without help to pay their health insurance premiums, about a third of a bag. About 5 million children, 5 of immigrant families, low-income immigrant families, will lose the child tax credit, costing them an average of $1,800 each. Millions will lose social services. Just 2 examples. Services for abused and neglected older people and children in foster care, about 1 million more people. All 46 million people receiving food stamps will see their assistance reduced or eliminated. That would be 46 packages of beans, but since we don't have a month for this video, here they are. That's tough. And Medicaid, maybe 2.5 million losing some or all of their assistance. Okay, we're full of beans, but here are 466,000 households with annual incomes of $1 million or more. Let's just put them here in their comfy spot. Their share of just one tax break is more than $300 billion over 10 years. But the House budget would protect them from any share in deficit reduction. We think it's wrong to reduce or eliminate help for millions of people while refusing to seek reasonable savings in the military or a fairer level of taxation from wealthy households. If you think a member of Congress who would support such cuts doesn't know beans about what his constituents need, send your representative an email. Here's how. Go to chn.org and click Take Action.